added by Professor K. Bhairappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Chief Guest Shri Pramod Mahajan, Honorable Minister for Youth, Empowerment and Sports and Fisheries.
The Chief Guest of the day, Pramod Madhuraj, the Honorable Minister for
On the stage, we have today's Chief Guest, Shri Pramod Madhuraj, Honorable Minister for Youth, Empowerment and Sports.
Coming to the stage, a beautiful band, KSRP Battalion, Asaiboli. Bangalore University, Bangalore. Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. Christ University, Bangalore. Davangere University, Davangere. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University. Dr. M.G.R. University, Chennai. Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. JNTU, Anandpur. JNTU, Kuttapalli. JNTU, Kakinada. Karnataka University, Dharwad. Krishna University, Machilipattanam. Kuvempu University, Shimoga. MG University, Kottayam. NITK, Suratpal. Osmania University, Hyderabad. Rashtriya Sanskrit Vidyapith, Tirupati. Rayalaseema University, Kurnool. SV University, Tirupati. SVMS University, Tirupati. Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Anandpur. Silverberg University, Vellore. Tumkur University, Tumkur. University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore. University of Calicut. University of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram University, Kadapa. Followed by the host university, the 2015-16 runners, Coco runners team, the host university, Bangalore University.
जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते, जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते, जय सुंदर नदी वनಗಳ ನಾಡೆ, जय हे रस ऋषिಗಳ ನೀರೆ, जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते. ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ, ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ, ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ, ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ, ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ. ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ, ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ. ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಶಂಕರರ ಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರರಿಹ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ, ಶಂಕರರ ಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರರಿಹ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ. ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ, ಪಂಪಾಲ ಕುಣಿತ ಜನ್ನ, ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ, ಪಂಪಾಲ ಕುಣಿತ ಜನ್ನ. ಕಬ್ಬಿಗರುದಿಸಿದ ಮಂಗಳಧಾಮ, ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯಾರಾಮ, ನಾನಕ ರಾಮಾನಂದ ಕಬೀರರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ತೈಲಪ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಡಿದ ನಾಡೆ, ಕಂಕಣ ಚಕಣರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ, ತೈಲಪ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಡಿದ ನಾಡೆ, ಕಂಕಣ ಚಕಣರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗಾ, ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗಾ, ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ. ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸಿಕ ಜೈನರುದ್ಯಾನ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸಿಕ ಜೈನರುದ್ಯಾನ ಜನಗಣ ಹೋಲುವ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ ಗಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ಗೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ಗೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿ ವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೇಡೆ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಹೇ ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ. ಹೇ ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ.
Thanks for the beautiful prayer song. Now I request Professor A.M. Khan, Registrar Evaluation of Mangalore University, to welcome the dignitaries and the gathering.
Players from all different universities, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it my pleasure to welcome all of you to this South Zone Inter-University Kho-Kho Championship 2016-17 being hosted by Department of Physical Education, Mangalore University in association with Association of Indian Universities. We have amidst us a very dynamic personality, a youthful minister who is also in charge of youth empowerment, sports and fisheries, and the district in charge minister for Udupi district, Shri Pramod Madhuraj ji, with us. As you all on the field today, he is also a man who is on the field working untiringly for the welfare of the youth. On behalf of all of you present here and on behalf of Mangalore University, I welcome you wholeheartedly to this inaugural program, sir. We also have with us Shri Yash Prakash as a special invitee, who is an Arjuna Award winner in Kho-Kho. Sir, your presence here adds to the highlights of this Kho-Kho tournament that we are conducting here. I welcome you on behalf of Mangalore University and all of us present here, sir. The president of today's function is none other than our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor K. Bhairappa. Ever since he has taken charge as the Vice Chancellor, he has been encouraging sports in a bigger way. And for the first time in the state of Karnataka, we have had a sports policy which is about to be released today. This is a unique achievement in itself. In the last 2 years, we have conducted All India Badminton Tournament, and year before last, we have also conducted the Women's South Zone Inter-University Kho-Kho Championship also. This tells how Professor Bhairappa has been encouraging sports activities in the university. So on behalf of all of us present here and behalf of all the sportsmen, I wholeheartedly welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor K. Bhairappa, to this inaugural program. I also welcome my colleague and Director of Physical Education, Professor Kishore Kumar, for painstakingly arranging this program, and you will witness his dynamism in the next 3 days, how efficiently the whole tournament will go on. On behalf of all present here, let me also welcome Professor Kishore Kumar to this program. I also welcome the managers of different teams, the players who are representing all the 63 universities from South Zone, the media who is present with us, who have been encouraging the activities of the university all the time, the invitees, the supporting staff, and all those present here. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Now I request Professor K. Bhairappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, to present a bouquet to guests. I request Dr. Gerald Santosh D'Souza to present a bouquet to Vice Chancellor. Now I request Mr. Ramesh H.N. to present a bouquet to the Registrar Evaluation. I request Professor K. Bhairappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, to present a bouquet to today's special invitee, Prakash. Now I request Dr. Prasanna B.K. to present a bouquet to Director Physical Education, Dr. C.K. Kishore Kumar. Now follows the inauguration function. I request all the dignitaries to inaugurate the program by lighting the lamp. To release University Sports Policy and Guidelines book. Pramod Madhvaraj is a member of Indian National Congress from the state of Karnataka. Madhvaraj is a first-term member of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. In June 2016, Madhvaraj was inducted into the Siddaramaiah-led government of Karnataka as a state minister with independent charge. Madhvaraj holds the Youth Services Department, Fisheries from Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Department portfolio in the government of Karnataka. He is also in charge Minister of Udupi district. He is having a plan of introducing state sports policy. Now, inaugural address by Shri Pramod Mahajan. I'm sorry, I am repeating the same. Now, inaugural address by Shri Pramod Madhvaraj, and I request him to declare South Zone Inter-University Kho-Kho Men Championship 2016-17 opening.
On the occasion of the inaugural function of South Zone Inter-University Kho-Kho Male Championship 2016-17, the President of the occasion, the dynamic Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Professor K. Bhairappa, special invitee, Arjuna awardee in Kho-Kho, Shri S. Prakash, Professor A.M. Khan, Registrar Evaluations, Dr. C.K. Kishore Kumar, a very active director of physical education, Mangalore University, all the Kho players who have come from the various universities of the South Zone, all the coaches, the PDs, all the members of the media, the teaching and the non-teaching faculty of Mangalore University, friends, brothers and sisters. It is a very proud occasion for an esteemed university like Mangalore University, which is covering the 3 districts of Karnataka, Kodagu, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district, my own district, to have hosted the South Zone Inter-University Kho Championship here today, which will go on till 13th of January. It is very heartening to know that Mangalore University is not only excelling in academics, but Mangalore University is doing quite a bit of great work in the field of sports too. As the sports minister of Karnataka, where I see so much of neglect by educational institutions and the universities, as far as sports is concerned, I am very glad that Mangalore University has been hyperactive in promoting sports, and I congratulate the university, the physical education department, and all the concerned for showing great interest in the field of sports, which is needed to maintain good health and physique of the students, and also to train them to face the future with courage and determination. Because sports gives every individual so much to learn in life, which you don't learn within the 4 walls of the classroom. I am very happy that even before Karnataka government could come out with a sports policy, Mangalore University has taken the lead in overtaking government of Karnataka by bringing about a sports policy and a sports guidelines. I congratulate again, as the sports minister of the state, all those who have involved themselves in formulating the sports policy. But my only request is, let it not be on paper, let it be implemented in true spirit, and let it be one of the guiding sports policy for all the universities in the country to follow and emulate. As far as Kho is concerned, I am very happy that almost 63 teams have come here. That is what the Vice Chancellor told me. And I appreciate all the universities who have sent the teams here. I had a call from one of the students of one university, which I don't want to mention, that they are prepared for about 1 year for the sports, particular event, but finally the university did not allow them to participate in that event. So the student was calling me and telling me, we have put in so much of efforts, we have taken so much of pains for the last 1 year, and at the last moment, they are not letting us to participate in the event. This is truly very much disappointing. And when we have such universities in the state, in the country, where sports is neglected, I think Mangalore University is a silver lining in the dark cloud, which is contributing sports a great deal. As the sports minister of Karnataka, my endeavor shall be to try my level best to ensure that sports is encouraged in Karnataka. But our disappointment is that both the Government of India budget for sports and Government of Karnataka budget for sports is very less. It is very meager. We can't do much. I have told the Chief Minister of my state, my Chief Minister, I have told him, who is also holding the Finance Minister, that you allot 5,000 crores for health department to take care of the health of the people after they enter the hospitals, and you give peanuts to the sports department. Try to at least double our budget so that the health department budget is greatly reduced, because the more the people come to the playground, the hospitals will get empty, and that should be the strategy. And I've told, Vijay Goyal was telling that in some of the countries of the world, the health department and the sport department are looked after by the same minister, because both are contributing to each other. So let us hope in future sports will get all the encouragement that it needs in this country, in this state, and I shall put in every bit of my effort to ensure that sports gets the topmost priority in Karnataka. With these few words, I declare South Zone Inter-University Kho Men Championship 2016-17 open. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We expect a great sports policy for the state from your side. We have Mr. Prakash Arjuna Awardee as a special invitee. I request Vice Chancellor Professor K. Bhairappa to honor Mr. Prakash. As a Kho player, he started his career from 1970, played till 1987, represented Karnataka State Kho team from 1978 to 1987, represented state team 14 times at international and national South Zone Championship, participated in the 3rd SAF Games at Calicut, captained Indian team. He received Madhukari Nayaka South Zone Award in the year 1980, Ekalavya Award in Kho Nationals in the year 1984, Karnataka State Award in the year 1984, Arjuna Award in the year 1984. As a coach, Karnataka Olympic Association Award 2014, Krida Ratna Award 2011. He worked at various states and produced many national players and university players in Kho and Kabaddi. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University has received C.V. Raman Birth Centenary Award from Prime Minister of India at the Indian Science Congress Conference held at Tirupati on 3rd January. During this great occasion, I request Shri Pramod Madhvaraj to honor our VC. 290 research publications in international journals with more than 5,800 citations, and is known as World Authority in Hydrothermal Technology. He has over 30 book chapters and reviews and has edited 10 books. He is an elected fellow of World Academy of Ceramics based in Italy. Also, he has received several awards like Dr. Raja Ramanna Award for Science and Technology 2011, Sir C.V. Raman Award in Physical Science 1998, Materials Research Society of India Medal 2004, and Golden Jubilee Award 1987, 1992 for the best research work in the University of Mysore. Also, he has received the Attractive Paper Award in 9th International Conference on Crystal Growth held in Japan during August 1989. He has also been conferred the Educational Leadership Award by Vijayawani Bangalore in 2015. He is also serving in the international bodies and Indian National Science Academy committees. Thank you.
Dignitaries on the dais, young and most dynamic Minister Shri Pramod Madhvaraj, and also the guest of honor and Arjun awardee Mr. S. Prakash, and Professor A.M. Khan, Registrar Evaluation, and Dr. C.K. Kishore Kumar, Director of Physical Education, and also the organizing secretary of this South Zone Inter-University Kho Championship, and dignitaries of the dais, participants from over 63 universities from South India, invitees, media persons. It's a great honor for Mangalore University to have this South Zone Kho Championship being hosted here, and it was inaugurated by none other than the Sports Minister of our state, who is taking a personal interest in promoting sports, and he is the first minister, I think, in the state to come out with the policies. Very soon it is going to be released for the Karnataka state, the sports policies. Mangalore University, as our Honorable Minister mentioned, we are promoting sports, and I doubled the budget for sports after I took over as the Vice Chancellor in the year 2014, and several facilities, schemes have been proposed by the Mangalore University to help and encourage the sports persons, students in the university and the affiliated colleges, constituent colleges, and those who are highly talented will be trained at the cost of the Mangalore University, and also the university will sponsor the travel charges or the entire expenses for the participation of our students in the sports events, in case even if they have to go abroad to participate in the international events, and even if they have to go for special training in special camps across the country, all that is covered. And when I came to know that there is no policy for sports existing in the university, and also the set of guidelines to benefit the students, immediately I constituted a task force, and a 16-member committee was constituted to come out with these sports policies of Mangalore University and also the sports guidelines. And in this committee we do have sports persons, athletes of national and international participation and their experiences, the coaches, and also the physical education directors from different states and different universities, and all their views and opinions have been put together, and we have framed these policies. And it has come out very well, and we have reviewed it several times, and this is going to benefit the students. Everything, including grace marks and attendance, the cash awards, incentives, international participation, and talent search, particularly the students who are studying in the affiliated colleges in the rural areas. We go to those colleges, our faculty members will go to those colleges and identify the talent existing in those students, and we train them with all care. So, and we can make them the national and international athletes or sports persons. Mangalore University for the last 3 years continuously bagging All India runners up, and I am extremely happy to say that for the last 3 years we are getting this runners-up position placed next to Patiala University in Punjab. So that has made us really proud, and it is our commitment on the part of the authorities of the university to promote the sports in a bigger way. And if everything goes well this year, we are aiming to become the national champions in All India Inter-University Championship. So with these few words, I welcome all the sports persons coming from 63 universities of the South Zone, and I wish you all best of luck, do well, perform well, and bring laurels to your universities which you represent. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Our Vice Chancellor is daydreamer and performer. Daydreamer. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to honor today's chief guest, Mr. Pramod Madhvaraj. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Haridas Kuluru, Assistant Director, to present a memento to Registrar Evaluation. I request the team leader of KSRP 7th Battalion, Asai Goli, to receive the memento from Honorable Vice Chancellor. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Dr. Kishore Kumar CK, Organizing Secretary and Director of Physical Education, to deliver oath of thanks.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, managers, coaches, officials, staff and students, dear colleagues, participants, invitees and members of the media. At the outset, it's my privilege to propose a hearty vote of thanks to respected Sri Pramod Madhvaraj, Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs, Sports and Fisheries and District In Charge Minister, Government of Karnataka, for inaugurating the championship. And more than that, he has provided very good sports infrastructure like synthetic track, swimming pool, indoor sports complex in Mangalore University vicinity. Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of Mangalore University, I extend heartfelt thanks to Sri Prakash Arjun Awadi, an outstanding Kho player, man with lots of enthusiasm for sports. He has been supporting Kho players and contributing in terms of sports to our state for your gracious presence on this occasion. My special thanks to our Registrar Evaluation for gracing this occasion. Thank you very much, sir. So my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor K. Bhairappa, a well-known scientist in the world. His continuous support and his interest towards physical education and sports helped our department to upgrade all the sports facilities, more financial support, coaching camps, quality uniforms to our university sports persons. Not only this, he has made unbelievable changes in our university sports programs. Thank you very much, sir. I am highly thankful to our syndicate and academic council members, members of the media, staff and students of our campus, wardens of boys and ladies hostel, engineering department, esteemed colleagues, professional friends, and all those who have helped us directly and indirectly for organizing this championship. Thank you very much.